right, Ted, you're it.
Okay, our project was on absolute value. Absolute value is x is the distance. Wait, absolute. What is that? What would you call that?
The absolute value
Of x.
of x is the distance.
Okay, of x from 0. So meaning the negative side and the positive side. Solving absolute value equations and absolute value inequalities, which means it's either less than, greater than, or equal to. And graphing on a number line, equations are represented by a dot, and inequalities are represented by circles colored in or empty.
It didn't work. It's on freeze.
There is an equal sign. There are just, wait. If there is an equal sign, there are just dots on the number line, which means it's a dot circled in. And if there is a greater than or less than sign, there's a circle with nothing on the inside. And if it's greater than or equal to, it's a colored in circle, which is basically a dot.
So for solving without inequality, you just took a basic equation, the absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals 5. To remove the absolute value bars, you have to split the equation into two different ones, which would be 2x minus 1 equals 5 and 2x minus 1 equals negative 5. To solve these, it's algebra. You get x equals 3 and x equals negative 2. And you take the answers and graph them on the number line like this.
When you have to solve these, you have to, whenever you break them up, you have to take away the absolute value bars. And then you have to set them equal to -6 and +6. Or you can solve it, you can make it two different equations, or you can make it one equation and just put the 2x plus 3 in the middle. The reasons why you have to do that is because the definition of absolute value is a distance from 0, referring to the positive and negative direction on the number line. So, yeah, so you would have to make -6 and +6 to get both of your answers, and then plug them back in to see which one works, or if they both work. Yeah, just like that.
And that seems to be the end of the presentation.